There's actually like a bus that goes
to Muskoka.
Ravenhurst, yeah.
Ah,
I had this dream that we jump in the car, we flip a coin, or we follow the brightest star. We'll leave it all behind.
got matcha for the road. We're heading to Muskoka today.
Since we found each
After
other,
eventful drive, we got to Muskoka, checked into our place. It's really scenic, very countryside kind of vibe, but it's not really like countryside. There's wolf drawing, there's forest drawing, painting, very cottagecore vibe,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Go get our pizza, but before that, wanna get something to drink. So we're going on an adventure. We got our drinks, we got our snacks. Now we're gonna go pick up our pizza and chicken wings and salad. We're being responsible adults. We have our dinner ready, and this is going to be our restaurant. We have our pizza, chicken wings, salad, and this view. It seems like we have a friend. There's something about dark water that's really peaceful, but at the same time really scary. It feels like something's gonna come out anytime soon, or perpetually stay peaceful like this. One of those states. We came out for a night jacuzzi. Good morning.
As long as I give good pets, I think.
Yeah. It's got like something in its cheeks. This morning we're gonna go to a lookout park. We had a huge breakfast. Yeah. Hopefully this walk will help us digest the food that we ate. We got to the lookout. Let's see what the view looks like. How's the view?
Frankly, honestly.
Yeah?
It's like there used to be like stairs going down.
go to this vegan cafe to get coffee. Or I think if they have matcha latte, that's what I would love to have.
Thought your parents came in the cul-de-sac, leaned back in a leather-clad seat, pack of spirits in your potted bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride.
We got our matcha.
Any old boat will do.
We came back from our secret concert. I didn't record because I was too shy. But
Well, I recorded,
oh yeah,
but I did vertical mode.
and I lost my head on the boat
Yes.
to the island.
Sacrificed
Yeah,
your hat to the lake gods.
yeah, festival god.
Yes.
Yeah, but we had such a lovely time.
Oh, magical.
Yeah. Mm. Today's our last day in Muskoka at this B&B, or Gravenhurst is the exact location. We're a little sad because it's been really relaxing weekend. We got to sit by the water, eat nice breakfast every day, prepared for us. We had really nice hot tub, and the garden's beautiful. So we were able to just like chill. And tonight we are back to reality. But it's good that we're heading home because as usual our cats are waiting. True.
I had this dream that we jump in the car, we flip a coin or we follow the brightest star.